Platform bed drawer storage solutions maximize usable space in small homes by replacing bulky dressers with built-in, organized storage. Choose an under-platform full-width drawer for easy access and even weight distribution. Install heavy-duty undermount soft close slides rated for at least 200 pounds and mount a center support rail to prevent sagging over time. For deeper storage, pick deep double drawers per side, which lets you separate clothing by type and keeps heavier items near the floor. Measure mattress clearance and frame height before ordering to ensure drawers fully extend without hitting the floor. Use modular compartment inserts made from lightweight plywood or fabric bins to create zones for socks, linens, and accessories, and label each module to speed retrieval. Cut inserts to avoid wasted dead space and secure them with Velcro tabs so they do not shift when drawers open. Consider a hydraulic lift-up platform if you need a single, uninterrupted cavity for seasonal gear. Select gas struts matched to the platform weight and install safety catches so the lid stays open while loading and unloading. When planning for boots or bulky items, choose bed bases with lockers that open from the footboard to keep items upright and accessible. Reinforce locker bottoms with a thin sheet of Baltic birch underlayment if you expect heavy loads. Always allow 2 to 3 inches of clearance for drawer fronts and use full extension slides so you can reach the very back without kneeling on the mattress. Common problems include insufficient slide capacity, causing drawer failure, which you fix by upgrading to slides rated above expected load and adding a center support rail. Another frequent issue is wasted interior space from one large void, so add modular compartment inserts or a removable false bottom to create usable zones and prevent items from shifting. The third concern is difficult access when drawers hit base trim or low ceilings, which you solve by measuring clearances during planning, trimming baseboard as needed, or opting for a hydraulic lift platform that opens upward instead of relying on deep front opening drawers. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who list these kinds of custom storage solutions and share real-world project photos and pricing experiences. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and post referrals, so our site helps both sides find the right projects and the right people.